this container is large enough for the ants to go in, too small for my bees to get in. So I throw it right there. The red ants are in it. They're eating the Crisco and borax. They're going back to the nest. It's a slow kill. It might be a week, but what they're doing is feeding the young. The queen will be dead. The whole thing will be dead in a couple of days, and they won't be bothering my bees anymore. One of the things, after I finish harvesting my honey and let my bees clean up my wax where I can go ahead and get up and ready to sell, I noticed they had a lot of red ants on the outside and up in my top of my hives. So I went inside and I gathered up a couple of these old boys right here, CD cases. And if you'll look real careful, it's full of red ants. All right, the red ants are all in under here. I put a tablespoon of borax, a tablespoon of Crisco, and a very small amount of sugar. Like and subscribe.